Hey, what is up, nation? In this session, we're going to be modeling through this cool cartoony house in Sketchup. I've modeled a ton of stuff in SketchUp, and I really wanted to challenge myself to do something maybe a little bit more different. So I found this really cartoony moon house on a blog that is owned by a Blizzard Entertainment employee, a concept artist there. And her name is Catell-Ruz, and I'm not sure if that's how you say her name, so sorry if I butchered it. But I really love this house, and I wanted to challenge myself to really try to make it in SketchUp as accurately as I could. So hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, here we go. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And as always, happy hacking.
All right, designers, just because this episode of Designer Hacks is over doesn't mean we're leaving you out in the cold. Tony's got tons of great content available at designerhacks.com. So join Design Nation right now, and we'll see you on the next episode of Designer Hacks.